Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by protecting data and isolating software causes. First, back up your photos and app data so you can experiment without risk. Next, reboot directly into safe mode. This disables third-party apps and shows whether the flicker is app-related. While in normal mode, go to Settings and install any pending system updates because manufacturers often patch display issues. Once done, restart and confirm whether the flicker persists to decide the next diagnostic steps. Now you dig into Settings and Apps to find the cause. Lower or turn off adaptive brightness and set a fixed brightness. Make sure refresh rate is set to 60 Hz if higher modes show instability. Disable or uninstall recent apps, then clear caches for apps that control overlays like screen filters. Enable developer options and toggle force GPU rendering or disable HW overlays to see if the issue is software accelerated. Once done, test between reboots to confirm which change. If software steps fail, proceed carefully to final measures. Perform a factory reset after backing up. This rules out deep software corruption. If the flicker remains, inspect the handset for visible damage, moisture, or a loose display edge. Slight frame bends often indicate a delaminated connector. Do not force repairs yourself unless trained. One troubleshooting tip: record a close-up video of the flicker at 60 FPS and bring it to an authorized Vivo service center so technicians can reproduce and diagnose the hardware fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.